During the budget debate, Senator Lena Taylor shared a shocking claim about Wisconsin's black community.
I wish I would not have to stand up and remind you that we're the worst state in the nation to raise a black child and to be a black American.
That might be a slight exaggeration, but the data is still pretty grim. According to the Violence Policy Center, Wisconsin has the second highest black homicide victim rate in the country, well behind number one ranked Missouri, but still ahead of Illinois. As for health outcomes, Wisconsin has the highest black infant mortality rate in the country. In Milwaukee, the rate is an astonishing 18.4 out of every 1,000 infants. That's worse than Venezuela.
Black infants in Milwaukee are 3 times more likely to die before their first birthday than white infants.
To these Democrats, the answer is political. Expand Medicaid coverage to childless adults above poverty. Exactly what liberals across the country are pushing for in every state.
Because all the stats show that states that do not do Medicaid expansion, babies have a greater likelihood to die in those states.
That's not true. Not even close. Here's the current state-by-state infant mortality rate according to the CDC. The blue bars are states that accepted the expansion, and the green bars are states that rejected it. As you can see, there's no visible relationship. Here's the current black infant mortality rates. The CDC only has data for 35 states, by the way, but again, no visible relationship. Finally, black maternal mortality rates. Again, no visible relationship between the rate and the Medicaid expansion. In fact, in New Jersey, one of the first states to expand Medicaid, over 102 black women out of every 100,000 die in childbirth there. But don't let these facts get in the way of a good narrative.
You are a state that has horrific infant mortality rates for people who look like me. Is that it? That you're not concerned about the babies if they look like me?
Lawmakers on the other side of the aisle ignored this baiting and passed a state budget that continues to reject the expansion. For the McIver Institute, I'm Bill Osmolsky.